Teslacam. I hope you're satisfied.
Summer was heading to work in the express lane of I-77 in Charlotte, North Carolina when, all of a sudden, she heard tires screeching before a truck swerved into her lane sideways. Summer hit the brakes, but had nowhere to go but straight, colliding directly into the truck's door. Everyone was okay, but Summer told us it happened so fast she didn't even know exactly what had happened. She was incredibly grateful for her Teslacam footage, which she provided to the responding police and the insurance companies. Summer received a claim notification from the other driver the same day, and a few days later, she was notified that her Tesla had been totaled. Summer told us without a doubt that she'll be buying another Tesla, as they're amazing cars with awesome tech. This next clip comes from a biker who runs the YouTube channel Memento Moto. He was riding while his brother was driving this Tesla. The video starts with the submitter and his brother turning onto Highway 6 in Houston, Texas. They were right next to each other when a Ford driver pulled up behind them. He was driving a bit fast, but they didn't think anything of it until he accelerated right up to the submitter's bike. The submitter told us he could see the Ford getting dangerously close, so he gestured for him to back off and give him some space. He thinks this triggered the Ford driver because he passed the submitter dangerously closely in the center lane, while he was still riding in that lane. The submitter told us he flipped the Ford driver the bird, but then he tried to hit him with his vehicle. He then slowed down and stopped, opened his door, and walked toward him with a metal baseball bat. The submitter dismounted his bike and walked back to put some distance between them before informing the Ford driver that he was carrying a firearm. At that point, the Ford driver mysteriously changed his mind and got back into his vehicle before driving away. Our submitter called 911 and he told us the police issued a warrant for the Ford driver's arrest for aggravated assault with a weapon. Our submitter told us he hopes this never happens to anyone else, but that everyone should be prepared with a camera to document any similar situation. Neil was sitting in pole position at a red light when he also encountered a full-blown road rager. At the same time that a souped-up Honda Acura pulled up in the turn lane, Neil inched forward a bit, still waiting for the light to turn green. Evidently, the Honda driver had no plans to turn, and when Neil inched forward and closed the gap so he couldn't jump in front of him, he was infuriated. The Honda driver started screaming, then he spat, and finally he threw some kind of beverage at the Tesla and inside his own car. When the light finally turned green, he sped off and cut in front of Neil anyway. Classy! Neil sent his Teslacam footage to the local police department. He then went and got a car wash, making the repair cost a total of $10 US. Here's a pro tip: if you're going to road rage, don't put your social media handle on your car. Lewis was driving his Model 3 on a highway in Atlanta, Georgia. He was changing lanes when he suddenly hit a huge pothole. Both the front and rear tires on the right exploded when he hit the pothole at 70 miles per hour. Lewis told us his Tesla's autopilot safety features took over and kept him and his girlfriend safe. Repairs to the wheels and tires cost $785 US, but Lewis decided to pay the bill himself and not involve his insurance provider. In case you didn't know, I'm Ben, the voice guy for all the Wham Bam channels, except Espanol. I also produce the Wham Bam Dashcam videos, and my wife Melissa produces the videos for Wham Bam Security Cam. Wham Bam works us pretty hard and doesn't give us lunch breaks, so I'm super excited about our new sponsor, Factor. No trip to the store, no chopping, no cleaning up, just the flavor and nutrition we need delivered to our door and ready to eat in 2 minutes, so we can get back to work and even have some time left over for enjoying the summer weather. And if you're worried about the environmental impact of having food delivered to your home, don't be. Factor offsets 100% of their delivery emissions, powers their production sites and offices with 100% renewable energy, and uses sustainably sourced seafood in their meals. Melissa loves the tomato and roasted vegetable risotto with zucchini, bell peppers, and toasted pine nuts. Not only does it meet her dietary requirements, it's so simple and easy to make that I even cook it for her. It literally takes 2 minutes in the microwave, but don't tell her that. I enjoy the peanut Buddha bowl with cilantro quinoa, goshugaru spiced peanuts, and sesame broccoli. Head to factor75.com or click the link below and use code WHAMBAM50 to get 50% off your first Factor box. Wynn had just entered an intersection as the light turned green when he noticed something out of the corner of his eye, and he decided to accelerate rather than brake. Moments later, the vehicle beside him was struck by a Toyota Hilux. Thankfully, his Tesla's acceleration spared Wynn from being involved in the collision. Wynn stopped and shared his Teslacam video with both drivers involved in the collision. Thankfully, there were no injuries. Vin was driving to a supermarket and was stopped at a traffic light when an SUV came out of nowhere and tried to squeeze in front of his Model Y. Evidently, the SUV driver wanted to jump in front of him to turn left, but Vin told us he honestly didn't think the SUV driver would try to squeeze into such a tight space. Thankfully, there were no injuries. Vin says the other driver freaked out and threatened to call the police, but he told her not to bother them since nobody was hurt and that they should get out of the road and stop blocking traffic. They both made police reports and turned the matter over to their insurance providers. The SUV driver was found 100% responsible. Rob attempted to summon his Model S after a movie. At first, he was impressed when it started taking a shortcut between two disabled parking signs. Rob told us his inside common sense voice told him to abort the summon before the Tesla went between the signs, but in the interest of Tesla science, he decided to wait and see what would happen. Suddenly, it lunged right into one of the signs. Don't worry, the sign has been bent back into place, and the only damage was loosening the front license plate holder, which Rob fixed with some $2 double-sided tape. Okay, the quality of this video is really bad, but the story is crazy, so we have to show it to you. Gates was driving with his family down a highway at about 75 miles per hour when the rear passenger's window fell out and went under the vehicle next to him. No broken glass was found in the vehicle, and nobody was hurt. Gates told us he contacted Tesla and they handled the repair under warranty. This submitter was driving his Model 3 in Springfield, Missouri. I'll just let you guess right now at what this truck in front of him is about to do. It's pretty obvious the pickup driver noticed the Tesla behind him. Hopefully he didn't strain his neck checking his mirrors so much. When the light turned green, he punched the gas and rolled coal. Sorry buddy, we're not impressed. Kelly was driving her Model Y in St. Louis when she saw a couple of guys moving a love seat down the interstate by holding onto it while it was on their roof. We actually saw something very similar on last week's Wham Bam Dashcam episode. Eva witnessed what might be the least secure way to transport a mattress. What's going on, and how can anybody think this is a good idea? Kelly sent a shout out for her son Riley, who will be learning to drive soon and watches our videos with her every week. Mike was driving his Model 3 in Hesperia, California. A BMW had been tailgating him for several blocks when he suddenly heard it revving up behind him. It flew past him and blew through a stop sign in a residential neighborhood, nearly sideswiping his Tesla. Mike decided this maneuver was so reckless that he had to send this video to the police, but he doesn't know if they plan to do anything. Giovanni was on his way to work when the drivers of a BMW X5M and what might be a Honda Accord seemed to be racing each other. Giovanni saw them coming up on his right, which he thought was strange. At the time, traffic was slowing down for never-ending road construction. The Honda driver lost control and totaled his car while the BMW X5M received a little sideswipe. It looks like 4 other cars were damaged. Giovanni called the highway patrol later that night to send them his footage, and they were extremely grateful, as they hadn't been able to determine exactly what had happened. Frank was driving his Model 3 in Raynham, Massachusetts when a Ford driver who wasn't paying attention rear-ended a pickup and pushed it into a Model X. Frank told us he saw multiple people pull over to help, but he doesn't know anything else about what happened. This submitter was driving in Evans, Georgia when an Acura driver turned onto the road from a Walmart parking lot. The lane change of a red Hyundai apparently annoyed them, so they seemed to swerve into it intentionally. Our submitter followed the Honda into a parking lot, and we're not sure, but it looks like they might be swapping drivers. Our submitter sent this footage to the police, and they told him it would greatly help their investigation. He also stayed and waited with the driver who'd been hit, and he turned out to be an older gentleman. Andrew was driving his Model Y in San Francisco when a modified BMW had been driving recklessly around him for a while. After waiting at a red light, something happened involving the BMW and an Amazon delivery truck. It looked like it was the truck driver's fault, but the BMW driver just took off. Andrew thinks they might have had something they didn't want the cops to see. Lots of thefts and burglaries in San Francisco are committed by criminals driving nice cars, and Andrew just thinks it was strange. Andrew circled around and offered the Amazon driver his Teslacam footage, but the Amazon truck had its own Dashcam system rolling. While Florida man was traveling at 75 miles per hour, he swerved to avoid running over an alligator in the road. Just another day in Florida, I guess. Florida man told us autopilot was engaged, but even in the name of Tesla science, he didn't want to wait and see how it would react. A true Florida man would never run over a gator. Peter was driving down a fairly busy street when, all of a sudden, a turkey appeared on the side of the road. Peter quickly stopped, but an oncoming truck didn't even slow down. This forced the poor turkey to double back, and Peter had to slam on his brakes again. Thankfully, the Volvo SUV behind the truck did stop and let the bird cross. The whole ordeal begs the question, why did the turkey cross the road? Let us know in the comments. Art was driving south on Route 1. As he approached a pair of camper trailers, one of them lost a tire, sending rubber and fiberglass insulation all over the road. Art continued while both campers pulled over. After reaching his destination, he didn't find any damage to his Tesla. Vince is 13 years old, and his mom owns a 2019 Tesla Model X. He sent us this video from when his mom had parked to make a quick purchase from Target. When she returned, she noticed a scratch across both driver's side doors. After noticing it, she called Vince and told him what had happened. Thankfully, he's a huge Tesla fanboy and had already set up Sentry Mode for her. They were able to find the man who caused the damage, and it turned out to be a guy pushing a shopping cart containing some kind of armor or motorcycle gear. Is that a Fox logo? After finding out who was responsible and what exactly had happened, Vince told us they chose not to contact the police or make an insurance claim. Instead, they purchased a repair kit to fix the scratch themselves. We definitely think they should notify the police, as doing so may help solve other vandalism cases and maybe even stop this from happening to someone else. David was sitting at a traffic light. When it turned green, he watched in horror as an SUV picked up speed directly toward the back of a semi-truck. At the last second, the SUV driver swerved, swiping the side of the semi and sending debris flying everywhere. David looped back around and found the young man was talking to a witness. He appeared to have no injuries except perhaps to his ego. Paying attention is important. Have you been paying attention? Did you notice the 5 Easter eggs hidden in this video?
Wham! Bam! We got a Patreon man. Please support the show.